Hello everyone! Guess what? Back to videotaping again and cooking. I am making a papaitan Ilocano delicacies. Ito siya guys, kumukulo na siya. Ito, papakita ko, papasilip ko sa inyo. Meron po siyang lemongrass, tamarind leaves, yan, and saka binudburan ko ng sangkatutak na ginger or luya. Yan. Saka ang bango-bango niya, guys. Diba? Nakikita nyo? O, diba? Parang nasa Pinas lang. Nilasahan ko na siya kanina. Super yummy na siya, guys. Let me try again. Just a little bit. Almost tender na siya, guys. Ay, naku, sarap. Feel like you are in the Philippines. So the way how I made it, I was gonna take a video to show you guys, but I rinse it with vinegar and salt first, right, on cold water, and then pre-boil them for like maybe half hour, and then after pre-boiling it, rinse it again with salt, and then rinse it again with salt and vinegar like 2 times, and then rinse it with just pure water itself. So it's a lot of work because that's me when I'm cooking. I'm pretty picky. I want to make sure it's clean and it's, you know, process it clean. So because, you know, we're the one that eating it, so might as well clean it good, right? So my leftover fish, grilled fish yesterday from my sister, right, guys. So I had some okra, and then I'm gonna put ampalaya. So okra is done. Ayan siya, guys. So now I'm gonna cook my ampalaya. Ampalaya is good for you and the best like dandelion, guys. Oh, yan ang lunch ko maya. And then takpan natin. So check na naman natin ang ating papaitan. Almost done na, guys. Yan siya, guys. Diba? The smell. The aroma smell of lemongrass and ginger, guys. Ooh, yummy. Alright, everyone. Papaitan is served. Thank you.